Seamless. But earlier, before I arrived, I kept receiving distress calls from this my polling unit. And all other polling units in Auchi and Estako West. My agent here kept calling me in the past 2 hours, before I got here 20 minutes ago, that the APC representatives were buying votes. Physically here, sharing 10,000 to voters, cash. They were fully here, but by the time I came, I didn't meet that going on. They give you go there, you vote, you show them, they give you. It was happening all over here. You can interview the agent. That's my agent standing there. Just about 5 minutes ago, somebody called me from another polling unit about the same issue. Okay? Vote buying. So I leave it to the people to decide. We've done our work. We spoke to the people. We showed our mission statement to them. So the people, if you want to vote according to their conscience, if they want to vote against their conscience, because of little change they'll be given today, and continue this situation they find themselves.
You can see how the turnout is very large. I think the BIVAS has issues, and they are about to fix it. They are fixing it. Most of us here have been accredited. If you see most of their hands, we have been accredited, waiting to now use our voters card on the BIVAS. So I'm happy with the turnout, and I pray that by the time they bring the BIVAS back, all of us will be able to vote